All right. Dividing larger numbers by larger numbers. We're dividing by 2 digits. The first thing I need to say to everyone is you can do this. You can do it. You can learn how to do this. You can do it. All right. So this is the problem I'm going to use to demonstrate. 7,365 divided by 19. All right? The first thing I want to do is I want to draw my little thinking guy over here. All right? Because I think it's important that you understand you have to think a little bit about numbers. The first numbers I'm going to think about are 19 dividing 73. Okay? I'm thinking right now 19 is close to 20 and 73 is close to 70. So if I just kind of eliminate the zeros and think 7 divided by 2, it's about 3. Okay? So all that thinking I did gives me a place to start. If you spend a little bit of time thinking, you end up saving your time later because you don't have to try so many things times 19. So I'm going to try right down here, 19 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27. Regroup the 2. 1 times 3, or 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 57. So I'm going to place the 3 above the 3 in 73 and subtract 57 from 73. I have to remember my subtracting rules and that 3 minus 7 doesn't really work in the algorithm. So I regroup and get 1 from my 7 tens. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now I'm comparing 16 to 19. 16 is less than 19, so 3 is what I want to stick with. Okay? Bring down the 6. All right? I got to go back over to my thinking guy. I'm thinking right now 16 divided by 2. Where am I getting that from? I'm getting it from 19 is close to 20, and 16, which will translate to 2, and 166 is close to 160, which translates to 16. So I'm going to try 8 to start with. Okay? So up here I'll solve 19 times 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Regroup the 7. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7 is 15. 152 is less than 156, so I'm in good shape there. I'll put my 8 above the 6, which I didn't do a very good job of there, so I'm actually going to try and slide that over a little bit to keep my place values lined up. Subtract and I get 14. I'm in good shape. Bring down the 5. Okay? Now, I'm going back to my thinking right now. My little thinking space. I have 145 left over to divide. I can use what I've already done in the problem. If I look up here, 19 times 8 is 152, which is just a little bit bigger than 145. So the next number I'm going to use is 7, because I know that 8 is just a little bit bigger than my 145 that I have left to divide. So 19 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Regroup the 6. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 6 is 13. I'll put 7 in my quotient, and I will subtract 133 from my remainder. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. I get 12 left down there. There are no place values left to divide right here. So that means my final answer is 387, remainder 12. You can do this.